Winning medals at international ski competitions and thriving at school, Liz was positive about her future. But when the 16-year-old from Huntly in Aberdeenshire got COVID, life changed.
I don't know if I'll ever be able to ski again. It's uncertain. And it's even more uncertain when no one's caring about the fact that I am in a wheelchair. I'm not doing this for the fun of it. It's not fun. People talk about our childhood being the most important of our lives, and yet I'm stuck in a wheelchair being ignored. They're not doing anything. We're suffering, we're here, and they're just not caring.
Liz made those points to the Health Secretary today, alongside other young people living with long COVID.
We really need these children to have provision for education and healthcare, and at the moment all their referrals are just getting denied. So we need to make sure that they have services that they can access and that they have support. Because they can't just sit at home and wait to see if they're going to get better. They need people to help them.
The children had a chance to speak to MSPs from all sides of the chamber.
There are some kids here whose parents have had to buy their wheelchairs because the NHS won't supply them. That needs to stop. And you know, if the Cabinet Secretary has not been moved by what he's heard here today, I don't know what will move him.
The youngsters handed over letters describing the impact of their symptoms.
A lot of the times when we discuss COVID and long COVID, we talk about adults and the symptoms that adults have and the effects it has on adults. But actually, look, there's children here who are impacted and affected. And so I've given a promise to continue to raise the awareness where I can. When I spoke in Parliament actually on the issue of long COVID, I made a point of speaking about long COVID and the effects it's had on children.
The children's parents say they'll be exhausted after today, but they hope that it'll be worth it to have their voices heard. Kaye Nicolson, STV News, Edinburgh.